Let's talk about some of the differences between this Holley Sniper 1 and their newer Holley Sniper 2 unit. And let's focus on fuel delivery. So on this Sniper 1, this is on a 351 Windsor small block Ford. You can see here in the front there's a fuel line in. It's a single line. One line in, one line out. And on that back line, there's an integrated fuel pressure regulator. The bowls on this unit are left and right, and pay attention to the orientation here. You have options on the front, so that single line in, you can run it passenger or driver's side, and then there's a common rail that connects fuel between the two bowls where the injectors are. As far as the regulator, you don't have to purchase one. It comes with the kit when you buy it because it's attached. Now here's the Sniper 2. Again, this is on a small block Ford 351 Windsor base, and right out of the gate it looks different, right? This dual feed here looks just like a traditional Holley carb with the bowls on the front and the back. This allowed them to move the electronics to the side. And one of the big changes with this new Holley Sniper 2 is there is no integrated fuel pressure regulator on the back side here. So what you're left with is purchasing your own. And you can see here I've got a Holley brand fuel pressure regulator. You have to buy it separate, and essentially fuel comes in from the tank. It gets reduced down to 60 psi, and from there it takes what it needs, and whatever it needs off of there, it flows through this little dual feed that I've created, and whatever it doesn't need, any extra, gets bypassed right back to the fuel tank. So it just circulates in, back to the tank, makes a loop, and pulls off what it needs to the bowls here. Building this out, this has just an elbow and a T and some 6AN fittings from the factory that I've stepped up to an 8AN with some adapters, just so I could run a little bigger line for the horsepower needs that I have. And then those front and back bowls, again, lets you put the electronics on the side so there's no interference with the distributor. At least that's the intentions of it, I believe. So for anyone looking to upgrade from your Sniper 1 to a Sniper 2, hopefully this helps and provides some considerations for your fuel system. Thanks for watching.